Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome back to Dr. Crypto. I am here again after a long time. Yes, I'm sorry if you've been looking for my videos, but well, I had a lot to do, and actually, I'm not gonna be posting a lot of videos. But when I feel that I have to post something for you to keep you informed, I will do that. So, guys, well, again, if you're watching this, you're new to the channel, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, you can of course smash the like button, but that's actually not the goal of this channel. I will be just posting my views, what I feel is actually I predict will happen in the cryptocurrency markets. And of course, they're not financial advice. Do your own research, because recently I see a lot of these YouTubers, famous one with 500,000 followers or like subscribers or a million subscribers, they're actually predicting pretty much wrong. But anyways, you should be doing, if you are trading, you should be charting yourself. If you're like buying, you should be looking to project yourself at the end. But I will just be talking about internet computer in this video, ICP. But before jumping to it, maybe you are interested to know my views on Bitcoin price, because we have some red days now. They're not so red to my beliefs, but maybe you're scared, you're freaking out. I know, but I'm not. So I'll be talking about it. If you know, guys, I mean, in my videos that I was posting quite some days ago, I was bearish on Bitcoin, but well, I was wrong. And after I saw that all of these resistance are being broken by Bitcoin, and now we are making all-time high, I turned bullish. And actually, I see bearish people are still bearish in the space. Well, they are like obsessed. I mean, we have either people are bullish and they never can be bearish, and we have bearish who are actually the same, never can be bullish. That, well, it's just stupid, you know. You have to be able to change yourself with the trend. If you cannot do that, well, I don't know, you're sick. That's all I can tell you. I would love, I actually like myself that I change with the trend. Yes, if when there is reason to be bearish, I would turn bearish. When there are no reasons to be bearish, well, I'm bullish, yeah. So, anyways, at the moment, I am still bullish on the price of the Bitcoin, obviously, cryptocurrency. Now, guys, I have actually my levels that are watching on the price of the Bitcoin. For sure, I've been putting this box in here, which is actually our support in the area of the previous all-time high in the price of Bitcoin. And actually, we are still holding it at the time of the recording of this video. Well, today we hit 58,000, which is the bottom of the box I put in here. Now, actually, we are in the box. We are having some fight between bulls and bears. We will see what happens at the end. But of course, for now, we have this become resistant, this line that I have. This, I mean, these are the all lines that I've been putting through the history, and I'm watching them. Okay, I don't want to just make this video long very much, and just they are valid lines. Okay, as you can see, this is in the 4 hours time frame, so this is a time frame that we would like to look at. Now, we are actually, well, I've been trading a little bit, like I longed Bitcoin exactly at this line, and I was riding it to the upside. I didn't ride it fully to the upside, but I closed my trade on some of the profit. It was nice, but at the moment, guys, if you're wondering to know if I'm trading or not, I'm not at all. I'm just accumulating altcoin, which is primarily internet computer. I will tell you why. But yeah, the thing is, I'm not trading because I feel there are a lot of manipulation going on in the market. There are a lot of fake price action going on in the market, and actually it's because, most probably because of this leverage trading. Because if the Bitcoin wants to just continue going up, then everybody would just, I mean, these people who are longing with, imagine longing with 100x leverage, so they will be like billionaires like after a while, right? So they have to play it this way. So if you're a hodler, I think, like me, there are not much to be worried about, as we're actually still battling the support of the previous all-time high, which is not a big deal, right? Even if we break it, we have other support underneath. So, guys, let's see. If this support at the area of the previous all-time high get broken, which it might, then the next support area we'll be looking at, it will be around 50, depend when and where it hits, but it will be like about $55,000 per Bitcoin. And I think at some point Bitcoin will make a reversal, sharp reversal. It could be even in this box, I don't know. I see some very favorable action, like I see it like dump to 58,000ish, and then it go, I mean, 59,000 something, around 60. So it's very, I mean, this is important to watch, but it might actually be losing it, because I can understand a lot of people are turning, I mean, super bullish now and just long it with high leverages. So I can understand this. I mean, leverage trading website or whatever, they are like kind of whales themselves, and they can actually manipulate market to just get rid of the so a lot of bull contrast. And meanwhile also there are a lot of people turning bearish and let's short it, bitcoin is just going to zero, whatever, let's just ride it to the downside. No, that's not gonna happen, guys. That's not gonna happen if you're not experienced, I would say. I mean, professionalism is different. Like if you have the knowledge of the trading, you can put the lines, you can look at the RSI, I don't know, fib levels or whatever. That's another thing, but you should be experienced in the crypto market, because there are a lot of manipulation going on and not always level actually holding the price of the Bitcoin, you know. So I'm not in a trade. I'm not going to be trading. It's so freaking risky at the moment. If you're asking me, if you are my good friend, I will advise you not to trade. But I mean, of course, leverage trading, which is quite risky. A lot of people, like 500 million of liquidation we just had, I think today or yesterday. So that's very much risky. Just be careful, right? And don't listen, I mean, come on, man, don't listen to this all these YouTubers just putting the affiliate link for you down below, and they ask you, just they say, hey, yeah, not a financial advice, no, if you're a professional, just go to the Bybit and use my link and the freaking trade, and just you put in adding money to their pocket and you're losing. I mean, guys, it's sad. I'm just trying to be honest with you. Now, anyways, the price of Bitcoin, I'll be looking, of course, I'm not in a trade, so I'm not so, I mean, obsessed with thousands up and down at the moment, because I mean, overall in bullish, I believe that, as they said, October and all this stuff, we're going, actually, this is the freaking long bull run, guys. I mean, this probably would be the longest in the history. They say it's going to end up in January. It might, but actually I'm predicting, Wells never wants you to be able to predict this market, because if you are able to predict this market, then I mean, they're not gonna make money, right? So I think it's gonna be the longest bull run in the history. Of course, I'm also not believing that Bitcoin will be going up forever. We're gonna have crash, we're gonna have bear market, that's for sure. But it might be like they might even extend it to the next summer. You don't know. They might just get everybody in a level that, oh my god, Bitcoin is just gonna keep going up, never push back, nothing. So I mean, at the end of the day, you see like 90% of correction in Bitcoin all the way. And I mean, so anyways, now guys, if we lose this one, I will be looking for the 55,000, and if we lose 55,000, I'll be looking all the way down to 50,000 this area. And I believe, if you're asking me, of course, not financial advice, if you're asking me, I think sooner or later we're going to have the reversal of the price of the Bitcoin. Either if it's not in this box, it's going to be in this line. If they just want to play with us, it could be middle of the way. So we will not be able to predict that. Yes, and of course, when the price goes on and the history is being made, always we can say, oh my god, yeah, this was why I didn't see that. Like, this could be a valid line also in here. You know, this is a trading. So the cryptocurrency market, especially in the bull market, is so unpredictable. Now, guys, what I want to talk about, maybe you're just watching this video for this internet computer, but yeah, just can skip through the first part. Sorry, I just didn't mention that at the beginning. Where is internet computer 27? This project, guys, definitely it was called before, but this project, guys, when it came, I'm sure if you've been in the market just a couple of months ago, you've seen, oh my god, what just happened, you know, just something, boom, came to the first 5, I think, not for sure 5 or 7, first biggest cryptocurrency. It was just internet computer. I mean, the biggest project, I think we never saw a project, maybe Polkadot a little bit before, but we never saw a project just coming out of nowhere with like 50 billion of market cap. Right now is at the moment 7 billion of market cap. It's been all the time correcting. It had lowest, I think, $25. I wish I would have bought it there, but I didn't. I just didn't pay attention to it. But now, guys, look. If you go through my channel, you'll see that I mentioned also Shiba Inu. Do you see that Shiba Inu, what is doing? Shiba Inu I mentioned 2 months ago. I told you guys, this shit is bottom out. And I'm buying into it because, okay, of course, I didn't expect it to be in like 2 nights going like flipping Doge and whatever, Dogecoin. But the thing is, it did. Yeah, because it was bottom on. And now I'm talking about internet computer. Of course, internet computer is not a doggy coin. It cannot have that some of crazy like manipulation or like movements. But at the end of the day, when something is bottom out in the charts, will have its reversal sooner or later. And this is internet computer charts, guys. Look at it. I mean, just look at it. Of course, it was launched with the price of how much? This one is in Bitcoin. That's why I think in Binance it was even like 2,000 some dollars. But in here, like approximately 600 some dollars, it was launched in the Coinbase. But guys, look at this chart. I showed you the same about Shiba Inu. Of course, these two projects are not comparable. That's a meme coin. This is a real project out there, and I'm so bullish on this project. I'm so like I'm seeing this project like to be accumulating throughout the bear market. And to be honest, guys, I don't know, it just gives me the feeling this is gonna be the real competitor to the Ethereum. I just feel like that, you know. I mean, I cannot come up to you with very logical reason, but it just looks like to me that this is my feeling I'm sharing with you. But let's talk about the immediate, like if something happens, if the bull market is there to continue, I will see what's gonna happen. Guys, this one is bottom, guys. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying it's not possible. It just go to like keep dumping. All right, that's depend on the market, if Bitcoin crash or whatever, that's on the card. But guys, look at it, this beautiful dump until here, long time of consolidating in this bottom. And guys, yes, we had a fake outs. We had with Shiba, we had with all of them. Like, look, it just after like we had a fake out here. Of course, this was too early to jump into it. This was clear it's a fake out. And there we had the second one. Of course, maybe some got trapped, $74, and then we had consolidation. We went even for 76, and then we came all the way to 30 something, 30, nearly $40, and now we are consolidating here, guys. To me, it cannot go down any further. And I actually sold bunch of altcoins. My good altcoins I converted to internet computer. My good altcoins that I'm like just saying, oh my god, like what the hell I'm doing. But I did that because I believe when this starts going up, next move to the upside will not be a fake pump. The next one will at least take us to retest this kind of 120 level and even more. And I will be looking ultimately for this $250 retest, which was the, I mean, you know, in the first support after the dump. Now the thing is, guys, I am heavy on this one. Okay, I'm not like, if I'm advising my friend to buy into it, if they're asking me what to buy, okay, I'm getting a lot of calls these days, like my friend asking me if should we invest in Bitcoin, should we invest in Ethereum, should we invest in blah blah blah. I'm saying all of them eventually will go up, but look for which one has more room left to go up. Okay, and this is obviously internet computer. To me, internet computer, guys, to me, when I like look at the website, look at the CEO, founder of it, he's I mean, he was in this job, he's of course a smart person, and everybody now, I mean, quite professional. This is a blockchain. You can just buy ICP in Binance through the ICP blockchain. Just, you don't need to use any other Ethereum or whatever. You can just transfer it to Coinbase. It just, when I transfer it, it arrives in a matter of seconds. I mean, this is, and when you look at the supply, you see fixed amount of the supply is already in the circulation. So everything is just looking nice to me. And of course, I'm not I'm reading still about it. I don't know if there is any smart contracts are being launched in it, but it doesn't matter, guys. Cardano, was there any smart I mean, was my favorite coin. I don't have it anymore. I'm just done with Cardano. I bought it like when it was penny. Like, I'm done. It was my hold from 2017. But anyways, was there any smart contract on Cardano when it just went to become the third biggest blockchain in the world? So no, and it was a lot of hype. So we don't need that kind of a spy. I'm buying internet computer because of this freaking chart. It's just talking to me, just asking me to buy, accumulate more, you know. But yeah, for sure, look at the teams. If you look at the teams, they are just looking for smart people around the blockchain to work with them. And guys, when something comes to the market with 50, I don't know how much billion of market cap, it made it like between the first 5 biggest cryptocurrency in the world, as the very first touch to the, I mean, to the space. Where that came from, like 50 billion. I'm not saying that like it could be a lot of thing going around, I understand that, and everybody was understanding, if you like, a little bit in this market. We knew that there's gonna be a lot of downside for this project in the price action. But like, who was behind this project? Who are the investors that sent this like rocket to 50 billion market cap when it was just launched? Okay, so no, that's my opinion on internet. And it was called Affinity before. Now the name is not looking so nice, internet computer, but could be at some point when it comes and chasing, like for example, Ethereum in the future, Binance Coin in the future, and all others. I mean, then everybody would be, wow, how beautiful name and professional internet computer. You know, at the moment, maybe there are not so much talk about it, guys. Just be aware. Just be aware. Okay, I mean, this is a legit project to me. This is the team, partnership, everything. I mean, this is huge, okay, right? But the thing is, guys, please remember, and this project is new, okay? It is not new. I mean, they've been building it for years, but to the space, to the coin market cap, to the trading, all this stuff, it's new. I can expect this guy, the CEO of the project, because he used to be a smart guy out there. I think Dominic Williams, like, he actually learned a lot from Ethereum problems, from other blockchain problems, and probably he making it. I mean, Ethereum computer is so famous to be unique in a lot of aspects. When I was like watching some reviews on it, but I can expect like he put a lot of things together to make this one the best. Okay, he is like, I think he's making it, and this one's give me feeling like he knows his job, like he knows what he's doing. Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, I don't know what it is, Terra, Avalanche, Algorand, whatever, Polygon, whatever you call them. I mean, they look at the end of the day at the same level to me. Like, they cannot beat Ethereum. They cannot beat Ethereum. Okay, they cannot even beat Binance Smart Chain. That's for sure. Okay, they just sounds to me like Project Neo, like Ontology, like others in the previous bull run. But internet computer, to me, to my ears, sounds quite different. I just wanted to share with you my feeling and my chart analyze on internet computer. I don't need to put any line. I don't need to put any FIP level or whatever. This to me just bottom out. I felt like after a long time I have to post this video. I have to talk about it. If you appreciate that, you can subscribe to the channel. Like, sometimes I'll like posting video, or actually I'm tweeting much more. So go to the description and follow me on Twitter. Maybe that will be better. I will, like, if I see appreciation, if I see people are watching, enjoying, of course I will put more harder work into it, and I'll post videos, and I will, but just, you know, this is not my primary job. So I'm just I'm a crypto investor, and I'm like, this is my favorite, this is my game, you know, when it comes to the finance. So I can also share my opinions if I see like people around me like enjoying it. Now guys, thank you for watching, and I wish you having a nice I mean, right to the right to the upside. Don't panic. I don't believe anything bad is happening to the markets. So that was all I got. Dr. Crypto.